We are going to deal with the chapter simple interest. When we borrow some money when you borrow some money from A, B borrows some money from A, right? Certain time. Say example, he borrows say rupees 10,000. He borrows rupees 10,000 rupees for 1 year. 1 year, that is 12 month. What is the interest? Suppose interest is what? 18% per annum. That is rate of interest. This is called rate of interest per annum. Rate of interest I will write like this, 18% per annum. By the end of the year, see now this is 2020, 2021, now you start at January 1st and 2021 at January 1st he has to return the money. How much he has to return the money? What is the total money? The total money has to be returned is what? That is called amount. Total amount. This is called total amount to be returned. Right? This is what 10,000 he bought. It's called principal. This is called principal. Initial P naught. P naught or P is called principal. This is total amount. And T is called year. T is what? Number of year. Only 1 year. 1 year or 2 year or 3 year and so on. Number of year. Sometimes T is replaced by year. Okay. These are the terms they use. What is the amount to be paid for first interest? See, first calculate what is simple interest. Simple interest is what? What is the rate? Rate is 18% of the 10,000. Is it not? 18% of 10,000. What do you mean percent of? Percent means percent. Percent means 18%. Percent means 100 of 10,000. Can you follow? Now you cancel these two, right? 18,800 rupees. 1,800 rupees. Therefore, this is a simple interest. 2,800. By the end of the year, he has to pay 1,800. Therefore, the amount he has to pay, what is the amount he has to pay? Principal plus simple interest for that. Principal is what? 10,000 plus 1,800. Therefore, by the end of the year, 10,000, he'll get 11,800 at the end. This is the bank interest. Say, this is the bank interest. But what about the? But bank interest so low, 18%, so simple it is. But what is outside? Outside, or this is the bank. This is the government system. Outside they take monthly interest. Monthly interest. That means what? 3% of 10,000. What is 3% of 10,000? 3 by 100 into 10,000. That means rupees 300 per month. Therefore, in 12 months, is 1 year equal to 12 months. 12 into rupees 300. How much it comes? 12 into 300 equal to how much? 3,600. In 1 year, you'll get 3,600 for what? 10,000 rupees. Therefore, what is the difference? This is simple interest outside and simple interest government. Find the difference. That is 3,600. Government how much? Through government 1,800. 3,600 minus 1,800 is equal to how much? 3,600 minus 1,800. How much I'll get? 1,800. You'll get the double the amount, but it is risky. Now, what is actually in the different rate? This is normal way. Suppose 2% per annum, 3% per month, 3% per month, 4% per month, 5% per month, and again 6% per month, 7% per month. Like this, you have to calculate and find the difference, because this among the friends they do it. Among the friends, they give the friends and relatives that is their interest. This called for, and this is for office or outside. Uh, Unofficially, they do this 3%. Some business people, business and professionals, unauthorized professionals, they do 4%, 5%, 6% for big business. They, what is it, 7%, it goes changes. This is the way really you have to analyze. This analysis gives lot of what is that, if you really want to earn money through this one, that in Indian market, you have to understand the simple interest first, and how the percentage, if the percent, how it varies. The practical, it is theoretical, practical. Okay. For our exam point, we will do only the theoretical. Often I will tell you what the practically is happening outside India. Now outside world. Okay. Now a man borrows 2,000 rupees and pay back after 3 years at 10% rate of simple interest. Find the amount paid by the man. This is the, what is given first. What is given? Given data. What is the principal? Principal is what? Rupees 2,000. And rate of interest, number of years. Number of years are T is equal to 3 years. And rate of interest what? 10%. Find the amount paid. Now, amount paid is given by the formula, the principal, rate of interest and time. This is the formula. Principal, this is what? Simple interest. This is called simple interest. Then what is the amount paid? Principal plus simple interest. Okay. Now first you calculate the simple interest. I will calculate the simple interest. Simple interest is what? Principal is 2,000. Rate of interest is 10%. T is 3. Therefore, 2,000 into 10 by 100. Percent means 100 by 3. Here both get cancelled. 200 into 3, 600. Therefore, the simple interest is what? Rupees 600. Therefore, the amount split, principal is how much? 2,000 plus simple interest what? 600. The total amount at the paid after is 2,600. Okay. See, amount paid by him. The amount paid by him after 3 years. How much? Rupees 2,600. Okay. Now I will say this is the reality. This is the exam point. But in reality, Practicals. Practical world. Principal I'll take. What is the principal I'll take? Rupees 10,000. Right? Principal take. Rate of interest. That is, suppose rate of interest you don't know. Principal is 10,000. Rate of interest I don't know. Okay. This is per annum. Per annum. And what is the amount he got it? The amount he got it for this particular sum, you have done it. What is it? The amount he got it by outside by per month he is getting an interest 3 into 12 months 3,600. Therefore, principal is simple interest. Simple interest, what is how much he got? He got 3,600. What is the amount of total amount he'll get? Amount he will get principal plus simple interest. Principal is 10,000. This is 3,600. 13,600 by the end of the year. This is practical. Outside world. But same theoretical. Theoretically speaking, simple interest is equal to, this is for 1 year, I'm talking about 1 year. This is for simple interest is equal to principal rate of interest, now here, what is the rate of interest we are going to do per year? Rate of interest we have to go to calculate here. Suppose the total amount is what? 13,000. Total amount is that interest. What will be the rate of interest? Say here, simple interest is equal to principal rate of interest into time. Time is equal to 1 year. Time is equal to 1 year. Principal is 10,000 into rate of interest you want to know. Simple interest is how much? 3,600. This 20 goes. 36 is equal to 100. Rate of interest into 1. Therefore, rate of interest is equal to 36 by 100. That means R by 100 is equal to 36 by 100. The rate of interest is how much? 36%. That means 18%. What do you compare this one? This is called outside. Government is how much? But government 18% per annum. But rate of interest by outside world 36%. It is almost double. If you do rate of interest outside by rate of interest government, if you compare, what will get? 36 by 18. 2 times. Therefore, rate of interest outside is equal to 2 times rate of that government. This is only the simple interest analysis. Simple interest analysis. This, most of the people, business person, they become very rich because they do this. Therefore, they are very rich, and here they don't pay tax. Outsiders, ordinary business, petty businessman, they do type of business. That to what? 36%. That is what 3% per month. What is the thing here? 3% per month, or 12 into 3, 18%, 36% per annum. Imagine 4% and 5%. What type of profit they will get. See, this is important. Therefore, never take, don't take money from outside. Don't always take the money from the bank. That is the safer side for any financial management. In how many years will 7,500 double at 8% simple interest? In how many years? There is what is given. In how many years will 7,500, that means principal is what? Rupees 7,500 will double, right? At a rate of interest is what? 8%, and the amount will be doubled. Amount will be 2 times the principal, right? You go through the problem. The amount should be doubled. Rate of interest is, right? Principal is this much. How much time it will take to become double? You understood? Now I have put some amount 7,500, right? It has to become 15,000, that is doubled. Rate of interest they say 8%. It will take how many years? It will become 15,000. What is given? Amount is equal to what? Principal plus simple interest. Principal plus simple interest is what? P or T. PRT. R is what? Rate of interest. Just I'll write just R. If you want R percent also you can write R is PRT, PTR over 100 or PT percent you can write. Principal amount should be 2 times the principal. You bring this side. 2P minus P equal to PRT. Cancel this, become P is equal to PRT, right? So PP get cancelled. 1 equal to R percent T. 1 equal to R by R percent is 8%. 8%. That means 1 equal to 8 by 100 into T. Then cross multiply. T is equal to 100 by 8. Cross multiply. Or T is equal to 50 by 4 or 25 by 2 or T is equal to 12.5 year. That means 12 years and 5 months. Therefore, it will take after 12 years, 5 months, 7,500 becomes double. Double means how much? 15,000. Now the question is, how this outsider, that is unethical businessman, they do outside business world, outside, just to compare and calculate. This is not in the syllabus, right? But this only manages everywhere. Okay, here what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 36% per annum. Therefore, we will confine our problem here only, not doing all these things, right? See, in how many years will 14,500, that means principal is the 1,450, amount to, what is that amount? Amount to 2146. At the rate of interest is what? 8% per annum of simple interest. See, one thing you remember, I'll take this particular point. Here I will take this one separately and analyze. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal plus simple interest is what? P, R percent and T. Here P is the common factor, right? P is the common factor. 1 plus R percent into T. Therefore, the amount is equal to principal 1 plus r by 100 t. Can you follow? You can use this formula also. Now they are asking what is this time. Okay. The given amount is given. Principal also given. R is also given. R is 8 here in this case. T is how much? Or other way, A is equal to P plus simple interest. Total amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. There is simple interest is equal to what? Amount minus principal. What is amount? 2146 minus 1450. You understood? Now, if you subtract, what will get? 696. Simple interest. Now, 696 divided by 3, what you get? 236. That is 232 into 3 divided by 3. Okay. That means again 2 into 116 into 3. That is simple interest. What is the formula for simple interest? For simple interest is P R percent and T equal to 2 3s are 6 into 116. Here what is the rate of interest? 8%, right? P into 8% into T. Principal is again P is 14. What is P? P is 1450. 8%, 8 by 100 into T is equal to 6 into 116. Four times, 3 times. Here 10 goes. This is 2 times. This is 5 times. 145 into 2 by 5 into 3 into 116. Into T. Therefore, this is how many times? 29 times. 29 into 2. T is equal to 3 into 116. T is equal to 3 into 116 by 29 into 2. This calculation, simple calculation, you have to sit and do. So 29 to how many times? 116. But no, here 116 2 is 58 is equal to 58. 3 into 58 by 20. How many times it goes? 2 times. Is it? Somewhere we went wrong. Somewhere this is 2t. This is 3. Okay. Therefore, t is equal to 6 years. 2 3s are 6. See, in 6 years, in how many years will 1450 amount to 2? In 6 years it will take. Therefore, in 6 years, if you invest 1450 to the bank, you will be getting back 2146 after 6 years. That what is the rate of interest? 8%. Okay.